go, folks. A driver quality, affordable, vintage, classic car now available here at mgmclassiccars.com. You may call or text me for financing. You can go to our website and fill out the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. And just when they call you or call you back, just tell them you spoke with Thomas. My number is 847-848-1850. You can also text me your zip code for a delivery quote. I have over 150 classic vintage cars here in 2 buildings at MGM Classics. Majority of them I do own. There are a few consignment pieces because they're repeated customers of mine, but majority of the cars are owned by us, okay? I can be reached at, again, at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching, mgmclassiccars.com.